Are you single? Basically, I want to ask a question from respected sir that during my SSB journey, I met so many recommended candidates, and they told me that they attempted 36 SRTs or 48 WATs, and there are so many candidates other also who attempted less number of SRTs and WATs, and still they get recommended. So, sir, it is true, or it may be possible that the quality of the writing plays a crucial role as compared to quantity.
Okay, right. So let me tell you, right, there are no fixed yardsticks on these issues. Okay. Uh, like I told you, now what are the questions he left? What was the gravity of those SRTs which he left? Or what are the questions, the words which he did not complete or gave the full answers? Is there any pattern? Is there corroboration with SRT or your TAT or WAT? So many things are there. So you cannot really, and like I'm saying, any recommended candidate, now you are preparing for SSB. I have given you certain insights, right? Don't go with this mindset that even if I do less, I'll get selected. Okay,
Okay.
because you don't
Yes.
know that. Say, supposing he has in WAT, he has not been able to give answers to two, three. I'm just giving an example, two, three words. Now, are they words related to some particular OLQ? Are they an aberration by itself? Right? Is there any clue related to what I am getting from TAT or WAT, which I can corroborate, which I had a doubt in my mind? So there are a number of things, right? In SRT, I have told you, it has been my experience also. If you are not vigilant, many people don't complete 60. There are very few who even complete more than 50. So that is a trend. So if he says I did 38, and if he did 38 very well, yes, why not? He may get selected.
Okay, sir.
But now, if he is leaving certain situations which are indicative of his determination, for example, right, or his stamina, if remaining, they are all of that nature which are indicating that you don't have, say, group 4 qualities adequately. So while he has left 12 only, there is a pattern which suggests that your group 4 quality you are lacking. Then he will compare with TAT group 4 qualities, what it is.
Okay, sir.
He will compare WAT group 4 qualities, right? If you're done well there, done well here, you may get benefit of doubt.
Okay, sir.
But if you're not done good here, and there is a corroboration in TAT, WAT also, and he picks up your PIQ and he says, yes, यार, ये बंदे का तो determination कम है, इसके marks ऊपर नीचे आते रहे 10th, 12th, 11th में.
Okay,
There is
sir.
a corroboration.
Yes, sir.
He got selected with 38, right? Somebody else
Yes,
may
sir.
get rejected depending upon what are the things that he has left.
Okay, sir.
So that should not be occupying your mind. That is what I am saying. Nobody knows anything about SSB. The very fact that he got selected doesn't mean what he is saying is true.
Yes, sir.
Okay? He's not telling a
No.
lie, but your
Yes, sir.
interpretation may be wrong. So best is to prepare in the manner I have told you. Have that
Yes,
insight,
sir.
prepare accordingly.
No, but sir, it completely distract our mind for the next test, na? If we left some WATs and if we left some SRTs, so our mind get distracted that we find that our WAT or SRT did not gone well, sir. So we get deviated for next test, sir. That's why I asked you.
Okay, I'll ask you a question. You become an
Yes, sir.
army officer.
Yes, sir.
You are leading a platoon.
Yes, sir.
Right? You are taking a feature.
Yes, sir.
Something went wrong
Yes, sir.
initially.
Yes, sir.
You mean to say you are a person who will say, यार एक गलत हो गया, now तो मैं हथियार डाल दिया मैंने.
No,
How
no,
can I
sir.
lead my platoon?
No, sir.
Can you have that attitude?
No, sir.
Obviously, you cannot have that attitude.
Yes, sir.
So if some WAT has not happened correct, right? So be it. That is gone.
No, sir.
Now focus on SRT.
Yes, sir.
Right? And
Yes,
first
sir.
day psychological tests get over. Forget about it.
Yes, sir.
Focus on GTOs and your interview test.
Yes, sir. It
So
is
that is
true.
what is going to show the positive attitude in you.
Yes, sir.
That is what is going to show the right kind of a paradigm in you. But if you
Okay,
are a
sir.
person who, because of some setback earlier, get influenced now,
Yes, sir.
and it affects your performance now, then obviously you will have to look within and do self introspection and improve
Yes, sir.
accordingly. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
Like you said in self description, we have to mention the qualities which we would like to improve. So is it a collection of all the weaknesses which has been told to us by our parents, friends, teachers, or only one which we analyze in ourselves or realize in ourselves?
So, Shivendra, what I understand you are asking is self-description, what you think about yourself, right?
So I'm asking about what are the qualities which I would like to improve.
No, under the portion of what you
Portion
think
of,
in
yes.
your what you think about yourself, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
It isn't that you are asking, okay? Not parents, teachers,
Yes,
and
sir.
okay, right. So, what you think about yourself again is a reflection of your own understanding. And since you have to write in 3-4 lines, okay, and I told you you got to give your positive points. Predominantly, it should be your positive points and one odd point which you think you need to improve upon. All right. So it cannot be collection of all the negative qualities given by parents, teachers, etc. that you start writing there. All right. So it will be your two very strong qualities you think you possess, right, which you would like to showcase
Yes, sir.
and which you are convinced within, okay,
Yes, sir.
which is also reflected in your PIQ somewhere. All right. Gets
Yes,
corroborated,
sir.
right? That and one out quality which you think like I'm little impatient or at times I lose temper with my friends, but I'm working on it. Whatever it is, whatever you think is one weakness which you would like to make a mention, but in a manner which I'm telling you, and you will be feeling convinced writing that in that manner, provided you have been firstly you are aware of that, you accept that, and you are working on it, and it is work in progress.